I'm pretty sure that almost everyone knows how to take these taillights out, but if you don't, I'm gonna show you so you don't have to go look at a different video for it. So all you're gonna have to do is you'll have a big plastic piece here. All you gotta do is turn this little knob and this will pop out, and then all that holds it in are 4 of these nuts, and they are a size 8. I still have to do this like every time. So once you've got all 4 of those nuts out, you can like kind of push your tail light. Usually it like kind of, with all the dirt and stuff, it'll be kind of hard to come out. So what you're gonna have to do is there's this wiring. If you see right there, that clip right there needs to come out. Is you got to get in here and just squeeze, and then it pulls right out just like that. Now you're ready to like switch these bulbs around, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So to not get anything mixed up, I usually like to do one tail light at a time. So all this is you just twist this to the left, and it should pop right out. You can pull your bulb out and replace them. If you've got a bad bulb, this should just snap in here. They've got like the weirdest like cut. I don't know if you can see this. This is probably why the real ones are more expensive, but I don't know if you can see how like jagged that whole edge is compared to like the edge on that one or that one. So look how like clean cut that is, and then how like jagged that is. Yeah, so just do this to every single one. It won't be too bad. Okay, that just snapped in. Okay, like this. And now we're just gonna do the reverse with the nuts. Pause and put this back in the car. All right, normally I'm not really a neat freak, but I feel like if I don't scrub this area down, everybody in the comments is gonna rip me, and then I'm gonna just think about it all the time. So do the reverse and plug this back in. Okay, so for some reason this one actually like slid in a whole lot better than this side. So basically he told me to try to push it in to where I can get the threads started with these bolts, and like kind of use the bolt to pull it in. I mean, I guess, right? That's the only way. So let's try to pull these in, I guess. It's kind of strange to me to do it this way, but hopefully that means that it keeps it pretty like weather sealed. Even when it's something like you're like, oh, I'm just gonna replace a tail light, there's no way it's gonna take me long. Always something with cars, it just has to like have a hiccup in the road. I know that sounds hiccup in the road, but all right, so that's in like decently flush. So this right here is, I guess, what he meant by like having to pull it in with the nuts. You kind of get it started like this. I had to like push my hand so it got enough, and I got it started on that side. Alright, so it still does not want to go in. It's like more like this side is just super chunky. What I'm going to do is try to put some soap on it. I'm trying to do this to see if it'll make it slide in a little bit better. Alright, so they're sitting in there pretty tight on the inside. This, it kind of matches this body line on here. There's obviously like a little bump here, but I think that's straight. That's cool. This one, I feel like it's way worse, but I mean, what can I say? 150 bucks, can't complain. As long as it looks decent, because it is not a show car. So I'm gonna wash the car, probably do a little cinematic. It's dirty, super dirty. Oh, that's fire. Check out my old tail lights. I gotta have a whole pet fish in these. know everybody's about to give me shit for this, or maybe not. You guys are gonna understand. I'm about to use a brush, but only on parts of the car that's like, it's part of the car that the paint's already messed up anyway, so. Look who pulled up on me in the orange bean. This lady comes up. She comes up, she's like, you can't park here. And then she's like, is the car broken? And we were like, nah. And she's like, oh, it just looked broken from the front. What you gotta say to that?
That shit look broken though.